Method 1. Change default setting for Alt plus F4. Shut down Windows Dialog via group policy. Open Local Group Policy Editor. And go to User Configuration to Administrative Templates to Start Menu and Taskbar. On the right, double-click the policy called Change Start Menu Power button. Click on Enabled. In the Options section, you can select Restart or other action from the drop-down list as the default setting. Click Apply and then OK. Restart your PC to see the changes. Method 2. Change default setting for Alt plus F4. Shut down Windows Dialog via Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor and navigate to HKEY_current_user, Software, Policies, Microsoft Windows, Explorer. On the right pane, right-click the blank space and select New to DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name the newly created DWORD as Power Button Action, then double-click it and change its value data to one of the following values, hex depend on your choice. 1 equals sign out, 2 equals shutdown, 4 equals restart, 10 equals sleep, 40 equals hibernate, 100 equals switch user. Close Registry Editor and reboot your computer.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.